Hey guys, what's going on? We're back in the vault. I'm Adam. You guys might know me for driving the G35 right now, but if you know me from the beginning when I first started brake bank and all that stuff, you probably know the E36. So it's been a few months, almost a year since I touched this car. I've had a lot of come ups and life happens and all that stuff, but I'm really looking forward to getting back to this project. It was a really big project and there's probably nothing on it I don't have to touch. So it'll be a huge process going through everything, finishing all my fabrication work, getting my 1J right so I can actually sit in this chassis properly, and then wiring it up and getting it ready to go. I'm also doing some huge interior mods that I'll let you guys guess on that one. So we got to do a whole bunch of fabrication. I got to mount my steering shaft, my pedal box, do all my braking systems, everything from my suspension. I have to finish the bash bars. I have to build brackets to hold all my body panels on and everything like that. So it's been a wild ride. We need to get started. Holy crap.